One kick.
Oh my God. It's working.
You
don't understand.
Yeah.
Cha-cha.
It's working.
Sierra rubber.
Yesterday, we were trekking up and down. We were paying the price. Today, we are eating the rice. I'm telling you, people told us yesterday that it's not going to work. They told us that it's not working. We are wasting our time. People told us that, our leaders are using us. That, new life is not working. But today, here we have. This is my first try, and I'm using it to learn how to drive. I'm using millions of naira to learn how to drive. Millions. It's milli. Without simply the best.
New life.
Hello, so if it can work for me, I believe it can work for you.
Of course.
So what you need is to focus. Don't listen to negative people. Don't listen to negative, all those people that they know nothing about this wonderful opportunity. They will tell you so many reasons why you need to quit. But always encourage yourself that outside there,
Nothing there.
This is the only way, the easy way. Today I'm happy. I'm driving my own car. Today,
Okay, you mean this is your ride?
Our role model, Mr. Fistijani, this was the first ride into first road. And today, he's driving more than 7 rides, brand new ones. So if he can do that, I believe I just started.
Oh my God.
I believe I'm going somewhere. The life my children did not enjoy. My children, the life I don't enjoy, I did not enjoy as a child. My children they are going to enjoy it. They are going to enjoy their life to the fullest. So I want to encourage you. You are coming for the first time, or you are already in the business. Don't give up. Don't see yourself as a loser. See yourself as a winner. Maybe you are inviting guests, they are not coming now. Hello, keep believing in yourself. One day it's going to work.
Of course.
If success no jam you, jam success.
Voila.
So it be. So what I know is that the business is working.
Yes, so.
It is this same new life, this same 3NN, this same
Wait, 3NN.
this same omega 3 they my bag. Till today I still carry it because this is what helped me to where I am today. I saw this.
You see?
I saw this product very well. People said,